So Fleet Feet is a running specialty retailer. We have over 290 locations across the country. We sell footwear, socks, nutrition accessories, anything that a runner would use.
Some of the brands that we sell at Fleet Feet, the shoes, Hoka, New Balance, Saucony, Asics, Brooks, On, Mizuno.
Anytime you come into Fleet Feet, you're going to be paired with an outfitter that's going to spend probably 25 to 30 minutes with you, dedicated to helping you find the perfect pair of shoes for your run. So we have a 75,000 square foot distribution center here. We have 22 robots from Locus.
So with our system before, we had a process of a lot of handwritten stuff and just stuff on paper. It's just too much room for error for a user to make.
So we made the decision to look for a new ERP program, and we settled on NetSuite. And when we made that determination that we were going to go with NetSuite, we realized that we needed to find a new warehouse management system.
We were looking to have a easier system to use, but also be able to run metrics within that system.
When we were working with the sales team, we discovered the Infios relationship with Locus and realized that this might be the opportunity to incorporate that into the operation.
Locus Robotics really shines in each picking with the origin robot and the product type, which was mostly footwear and clothing and accessories. The site was designed around Locus, so it was a great fit.
Locus and Edge work together really well for our pickers. Most of the picking is done through Locus. The work originates in Infios and then is sent to Locus.
Yeah, so the robots, they are our friends in here. They keep us on our toes, like they really do. If we didn't know any better, we would think they had their own little mind.
The pickers love it, the fact that they don't have to push around carts all day and lug boxes around. There are pickers who now stand in one place for 20 minutes and just pick items there.
And we've definitely seen an increase in our fulfillment speed. Prior to the deployment of the robots, we were completing one order per store per week, and now we're to a point where we're fulfilling orders to stores twice a week.
Before Locus, they were picking at 85 units per hour. After Locus, they're picking at 180 units per hour.
We can see who picked each product in it and when it got packed out, what time it got packed out, how long it took, and all that information just helped for us as managers.
So really, Kerber touches everything that any of our associates do on the floor, be it members of the inbound team, the inventory team, the outbound team. So Warehouse Edge allows us to split up those large orders into smaller segments, which makes it more timely to have them picked in a quicker turnaround. It also makes it possible for us to ship them without the order being closed out. What would have previously taken an entire day is now done within hours.
Also, we can go back and check to make sure, did this get received the correct way? Did it get received under the right PO?
We've seen our inventory accuracy rate increase to 97.5%, and we've seen our order fill rate increase to well over 98%.
And now, before there's an issue, we see it coming. So now we can go to a packer and we say, hey, are we sure everything was packed out in this order? We can track it through the whole process.
So I've been promoted 4 times in this warehouse, thanks to the Infios system. So it's easy to navigate and easy to learn.
Even when we bring new people in as temps, we can have them do one thing one day and teach them how to do something else the next day, and they can pick it up faster.
So within this distribution center, we have 2 separate warehouses systematically. In using that flex space, it's given us capacity for 26,000 additional pairs of shoes. Infios has made using that flex space really, really simple. In the future, as we grow, we may need to open additional facilities across the country, closer to stores, closer to customers. Edge allows us to replicate what we've done here in new facilities that we may open across the country. I would recommend Infios to anyone who's looking to make enhancements to their qualitative metrics, and I would recommend Locus to anyone who is looking to make their operation more efficient.